Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. Check this out. This, my friends, is the 2009 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali all-wheel drive 6.2 liter beast of a truck. Black exterior, gloss black exterior, chrome accents, black interior, chrome wheels. Beautiful little truck. I bought it off of a good buddy of mine who's actually a dealer, and he had it for a little over a year. That's when I talked to him about it, I said, hell yeah, I'll buy it. Super well maintained. He put an aftermarket exhaust on it, and I'll show you guys the video clip here in a minute. Actually, I can start it right now so you can listen. We'll do that real quick, and I'll show you. So, and we can hear it here. Ready? I'll rev it up. Dave, can you hold this phone for a second? I'm gonna rev it up so you guys can hear it. And then that way we'll get right behind it and you can hold it right there. Just hold like that, try not to touch any buttons. Right there. All right, check it out. Ready? Sounds pretty tough. So it's an aftermarket muffler on it, and he maintained it really well. It's got the flex fuel, so you can use E85 or 93 octane in this motor. It's got the flex content. It's got a thing called a flex fuel content ethanol content analyzer, factory from the rip. So what that does is you can put 93, you can mix it. It'll recognize it off the rip when you add the fuel in. I love doing it. 93 octane is a good fuel to use regardless, but flex fuel E85 is a very hot, much more higher octane. It is corrosive, but if you leave it sitting for a while, so there's a lot of pros and cons to it. Do your research and you can get back to me after that. I put these grip textures on here. The paint is friggin' beautiful. So bed liner looks nice. There's a small spot right here. Looks like somebody tried to get a dent out. Small little spot right there, nothing too crazy. Turn signals incorporated into the mirrors. You get your Denali accents right there. Factory step rails. Tires on all four corners are about 40%, maybe 45. A little bit of dry rot on the backside. A little bit of corrosion on this wheel right here, and on a few of the other wheels, a little bit of corrosion. Small little tiny spot in the mirror that's cracked right there. You can barely see it. The paint, like I said, overall is friggin' phenomenal. You can practically see my damn fingerprints in the reflection. Iconic Denali front end with the chrome grille, sunroof, heated seats, backup camera, you name it. We'll go underneath so you guys can see the underside real quick. Here's the underside. The frame's in good shape, no rust. The body's in good shape. It's just a clean truck. Here's the muffler right there. Let me get you a close up if I can get under there enough. There's the new muffler right there. Where we go? Right there, boom. So that's the sound that's coming from that. The cab corners are in good shape, which they're famous for rotting the cab corners and shit. Denali TV's in the back of the headrest, except for that one. The TV is missing out of that headrest right there, so there is no TV in that headrest. But that one, I'll be honest, I don't even know if that works. So who cares if it does or it doesn't? Pretend like it's not there. A little bit of hate in the seat right there. A little bit of hate from the elbow, heavy guy from the elbow right there. I'm going to try to fix this up when I get back to the office on Monday or Tuesday. Merry Christmas to everyone. Also, and a Happy New Year if I don't talk to you before then. All my subscribers out there, I appreciate you guys' dedication and commitment, and really appreciate you guys staying with me. So here's the automatic headlights. Like I said, I'm going to try to touch that up later on the steering wheel. You got your steering wheel controls, dual climate control, no backup camera. You do have navigation, adjustment, pedal adjustment. You have the sunroof, rear sliding window. Sunroof and a rear sliding window. Here's the driver's seat. Denali right there. Factory floor mat, GMC floor mats, rugged off-road floor mats. Miles 190. I give 199,950 maintained miles. It has all of its service history records on it. Runs and drives great. Like I said, cooled seats, heated seats, power windows and locks, folding mirrors. If I can get them to fold, I don't know how you fold it. That probably has to be on. Door jams, here's the VIN number right there. Let's pop the hood and check the power plant. And I'm gonna try to end the video so I don't keep you guys boring you guys in for too long. Here's the underside right here. Here's the power plant. 6.2 liter Vortec engine, all-wheel drive. Your fluids are clean. Kind of cloudy right there from the container being so old, but the fluids are clean. Oil change is fairly new. Battery's in good shape, and it's clean. So if you guys have any questions about this truck, you can give us a call. 540-898-3025 is the main office. You can call or text me direct on my work cell phone, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. Saturday from 10 to 4 hours. 540-848-2974. Oh, real quick too, it's got a little bit of spot down here. You can barely see it, but I hope I went over most of the truck and damages and throughout it. If you guys have any questions, like I said, you can visit the website too, www.superiorwholesale.org. That's Superior Wholesale, that's SALE.org. To find out more information and pictures and a full video you're watching here right now on this 2009 GMC Denali 1500 6.2 liter, stock number C0598. Hope you guys are doing great. Once again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and stay tuned. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye.